Why do people choose 4-axis rotary sock printers? Today, let us feel the charm of this machine up close. Four-axis turntable design. 4 rollers print alternately and can print 60 to 80 pairs of socks per hour. The anti-collision devices installed on both sides of the vehicle head will automatically stop moving once triggered, which can effectively protect the expensive print heads from damage and reduce maintenance costs and downtime. The roller is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is wear-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and has a long service life, reducing the replacement frequency of the equipment. Real-time monitoring of equipment operating status. The operator can freely adjust the positioning according to the length of the socks, making the printing position more accurate and the operation very convenient. Whether it is thin silk stockings or thick wool socks, as long as the platform height is adjusted properly, they can be printed perfectly. The thickened bottom plate enhances the stability of the machine, reduces the impact of vibration on printing accuracy, and extends its service life. It's these subtle advantages that make the 4-axis sock printer so popular in the market. Its efficient printing speed, reliable safety features, durable components, and precise control meet the diverse needs of sock manufacturers. If you are also looking for a sock printer that can improve production efficiency and ensure product quality, then this 4-axis sock printer is definitely worth considering.